In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off sound effects in switch control on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot switch control. When I see switch control, I tap on it, and that takes me into the settings page for it. Alright, now that I'm here on the switch control screen, I start scrolling down through the available options. I keep moving down slowly until I see the setting labelled sound effects. Once I find it, this is where I can control whether those sounds are enabled or not. At this point, I tap the toggle next to sound effects to turn it off. The change happens immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save, and if I ever want to turn the sounds back on, I just tap the same toggle again and it switches right back. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure everything stayed set the way I want before moving on. I can stay on this screen or back out whenever I'm ready, since everything updates automatically. Now I'm backing out step by step, heading back through the menus, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap switch control, scroll down, and toggle sound effects on or off again. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to control sound effects in switch control on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and change whenever you need.